Hello everyone, this video is for those people who actually want to buy a property in Dubai and they want to know how things work here, especially about the financial things. So let's start. There is two types of properties in Dubai, like ready properties and under construction properties, like always do in other countries as well. So buying a ready property, which means you have to pay full amount in cash or you are taking mortgage from bank. If you're resident in Dubai, then you have to pay 26% from your pocket. 20% is the remaining price of that unit and 80% your bank will cover. That extra 6% is 4% Dubai Land Department fees and 2% agency fee. So this is the extra cost that you have to pay when you're buying a ready property. On the other hand, if you're buying an under construction property, that means you're buying a property directly from developer. You don't need to pay any commission or any agency fee on top of that. There is only 20% down payment. Some developers also give you 10% down payment option as well. Even some developer will give you zero down payment options, and then you can pay directly 1% monthly. So in that case, you are paying 10% or 20% as a down payment to developer. Then you can continue your payment plan. There is no extra interest also, and you have to pay only 4% Dubai Land Department fees, which is mandatory whenever you are buying property in Dubai. You have to pay that 4% DLD fees, and the remaining payment plan you can continue with the developer. So under construction properties are very good for capital appreciation, high ROI, because these properties are mostly on those areas which are currently underdeveloped and they're being developed in next few years. So in these areas, due to demand and supply in Dubai, when your property will be ready, if you're buying something right now at 1 million dirham, a 1-bedroom apartment in any good place, in next 2 to 3 years mostly your apartment will be ready, and then you can sell it like 1.5 million. This is a very good capital appreciation in Dubai. And the track record of Dubai real estate, you guys can do your due diligence as well. You have to go on DXB Interact, which is Dubai Land Department website. You can go there, you can check the transactions, you can see how much the property is being capitalized in Dubai. Also you can check ROI, which means return on investment. When you buy a property and now you put this property on rent, after paying the service charges, your property is giving you good amount of return on investment, which is normally in Dubai from 6 to 10%, and nowadays it's even 10 to 15% in some areas. So this is how the financial and things work here. If we are talking about extra cost other than property cost, which is 4% DLD fees, and if you are buying a property in Dubai, then you have to pay extra 2% as agency fees. So we always recommend you to go with under construction properties, because these properties are very good for capital appreciation, very good for high-end ROI. And if you are someone who want to get some property for yourself so you can move in, that's also a considerable thing. So we strongly recommend you to contact us. We will give you expert advice. We are here in Dubai, and I am a real estate broker, verified and registered with Dubai Land Department. We can give you best options available in the market. So contact us and get your expert advice.